This conference will now be recorded.
And in tomorrow's class, I will tell you. 1 second. Chavi. In tomorrow's class, I'll tell you about the examination and all. Okay, 1 second. Okay. I don't think the components is required for you. It's all written. You already have that. Um, File menu. Home is to take the new. So these are. This gives you a tour on Excel. Shows you like what is Excel, what it does, how you create. That's all. And then it shows you the drop down tutorial. You have one. Okay. In the right hand side you get help. It will tell you, you can ask for the help whatever kind of doubts you have, like if it is not working and all. Same way you have formula tutorial, power queries, and pivot tutorials. Those tutorials, on the base of those tutorials, you can use them in your workbooks. New, to get a new workbook.
Ma'am,
Here you have, yeah.
ma'am, your screen is stuck. We could see that attendance thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me that time only, no?
Ma'am, am I audible?
Hmm.
Ma'am, I'm trying to answer from,
What's your name,
but
dear?
you couldn't hear, ma'am.
Aishwarya, I'll come back to you, okay? Once
Okay. Thank you,
before
ma'am.
the class. Yeah, before the class, I'll come back to you. You have some templates. Templates are, now you can see the screen.
Yes,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
templates are created before. You can just use them, click and create. You create. This means this is already a created one. You just go on typing in this. You can edit them. So by default, you can get these kind of tutorials. Then open is to open new workbook. I mean, open is to open the already created workbooks. Info you can protect your workbook. Let's check with your check accessibility. We did there, correct? In view, here also it is there. Manage workbook, we saved the workbook. Saved, you can recover, like if you have below 2000, I mean below 2010 9, those things, you did not have this option of recovery. After that, you have this option of recovery, where in case your power is gone or you close without saving, so it will be there in your recoveries. So whenever you want, the unsaved file will be there. Here you can recover them. Usually when you open Excel, after that, automatically to your left side it will come, you want to recover the Excel files or no. So those will be there under this recovery. So these are all my unsaved books. Okay, maybe I have just closed it, or I did not close it, the power might have gone. So these are all the unsaved books. Here you protect the sheet. So protect the current sheet. Remember, we did protect sheet, we did the access toolbar, access arrange. So these are all those options. That is the reason I had not done that time, so that you get confused. Okay, and here you have this allow on open or read only. This, if you click on this, what happens is, if for example, if you have sent me the send me your what is that, your file, I can only read them, I cannot edit them. Okay. At see, protect workbook, what's happened, you will have to send me your password also, but in this case you can just send me, but I can only read, I cannot edit anything on that. So that will be always open read only. Encrypt with a password, give a password. Okay, re-enter the same password and save the file. So your workbook is protected. Same way, save is to save the file. Save as is the to save the same file in a different name. Print is to take the printouts, any number of copy you want, from which printer, what printout you want to take, how do you want your printout, like if you have 10 sheets, you want only the first, second, fourth, sixth sheet, or first, third, fifth sheet. So you want it in your portrait, landscape, A4, normal margin, top margin, wide margin, you can them. You want no scaling means, however it is the same way it will come. Fit to the screen means it will fit to complete sheet. Next, share is to share the same, to share the screen with either attach as an email or with your same people with the Microsoft account. And then export is to export the file, convert it into PDF or XPS so that nobody else can edit your file. Publish, to publish yours within one particular network, within your whatever you have done, you can publish your Excel sheet to your colleagues or others. Close is to close the file. Accounts is for to create your MS Office account. More, in more you get this options where all your custom options, advanced options, you can change them. Is this file menu clear with everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, home tab. Am I fast? Do you want me to slow down or you're able to understand? Class.
We are able to understand,
We are
ma'am.
able to understand,
We are
ma'am.
able to understand, ma'am.
Home tab. Paste. Copy, cut, copy and paste. Control C copy, Control X cut. When you're pasting, you have all the different types of paste. Okay, transpose, you can paste only the formats. Sorry, you cannot, you can paste only the data and not the format. So all these kinds of special pastes can be done. So if I have copied, what is this called? What is this called? Class. What is that called? Huh? What is that called? This part.
Drop down.
Hmm? I had named that.
Ma'am, is it Launchpad?
Correct. Who's that?
Ashwini, ma'am.
Good. Ma'am, you're not giving me assignment marks, ma'am. I am giving you. +2. This class I have given so many assignment marks. Even if you don't send me, you people have got so much of assignment marks, correct? Okay. So if you go to the Launchpad, you can also see what you have last copied. And the fonts, to change them into bold, italic, underline, colors, fill, etc. So if you want the same thing to this, and then you can just click on Format Painter and click, only the format will be copied. Increase, decrease, text color, highlighting color. Alignments up, center, down, right, center, right, left, center, right, orientations, indents to move your text, wrap text, margin center. All the different options, currency accounting or short date, long date. Yes, to increase the decimals, to decrease the decimals, to increase the decimals. Conditional formatting. Anyone who has doubt in conditional formatting? Anyone who wants me to do and show? Everybody's clear? Just go through that conditional formatting, everyone. Give you 2 minutes. By the time Aishwarya N.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, when were you absent? You were absent on
I was
2nd and 3rd.
absent on August 19th, ma'am. And yesterday I put a message in group that I was attending aptitude test.
24th you were absent?
24th. Maybe September 2nd I was absent, ma'am.
Yes.
Uh,
September 3rd?
that's all. No, ma'am. I'm present.
Anyone else who's come? The name? Sorry? Anushri. Tell me. Yeah. A- And on 26th. Next. Okay, next. For a format as a table. So whatever table you create here, insert. And also do that here. Different colors. Same way, cell. Next, insert, delete format. Remember what is the default row height? What is the default column width?
Ma'am, row height is 15 and for column size it is 8.43.
Ma'am, for column it is 3.43.
Ma'am, isn't
3.43.
it
Who's that?
8.43, ma'am?
8.43, ma'am.
8.43.
Hmm, 8.4. Auto sum. Automatically you will get a sum formula where you can give the formula. Same way, other formulas, basic formulas you will get whichever you want. You don't have to put the formulas as we were putting. You can just use them. Everyone put a pivot chart. Everyone put a pivot uh, to put a pivot table and put a pivot chart for that. Fast. Done, class? We'll go further. Any
Yes, ma'am.
doubts? Okay, next one. Now put one picture, one shape, one smart art, and one screenshot. Anyone who want me to show this? You know how to add and delete in smart arts? Click on pictures. From this drive means you take it from your computers, or online pictures means through online you take your, you can write your name, I mean any picture you want and take it. Shapes, take any shape, click a drag. Smart art is your hierarchy, cycle, pyramid, etc. Screenshot, whatever is there on the screen that you want a screenshot, you can take, click, you'll get screen clipping, click, drag and drop it. All these, when you click on them, you get a different tabs, format, design, for which you can work. Put everyone each. Okay. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next, put one data and put three charts. Okay, put 3 charts. Go to select data, put any one of the chart. When you put the chart, you get design, change the designs. And also put all 3 spark lines. Anyone who want me to show spark lines? Class? I'll just show. Yesterday some had not answered this. Select column where you want your spark line and okay. Negative sign means it will go down. Is class done?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone? Or you want me to give 2 minutes? Now you have put PO table, correct? For that put slices. Everybody must do. I might tell anyone to share your screen and show me what you're doing. I'm telling you now, everyone must do. I can take anybody's name. Timeline, I think it's not possible because you might have put very small data for pivot table. It's okay.
Ma'am, you're not audible.
Ma'am, you're not audible.
Yeah. Now, so
Yes.
you saw me, no, putting the make signature line. Same way this object. So pictures means you put the pictures which is there in your desktops. Online pictures, you take the pictures from your um, online internet. Screenshots from the desktop, whatever it is there. Object, you draw your pictures. Object bitmap file, because it is the basic file which will be there in every computer. That is a bitmap file. That is your paint file. Next, page layout tab. Themes, change the margin, vertical and horizontal size, print area to set one, break to complete, I mean to break your sheets, background to set one background. This will not be seen in your printouts. Print titles to give one title for all. Automatic view with the print, without print. So control P, it will be seen without the grid lines and headings. You want it when you click on that. Control P. Now it is seen. Do selection pane, everyone. Janavi P, you're there. Janavi P. Kirtana N. Kirtana N.
Yes, ma'am.
You're there.
Yes, ma'am.
Did we do your attendance? No, no.
You did, ma'am.
When were you absent?
I was not absent on any days.
Kirtana R.
Yes, ma'am.
We did yours also.
Yes, ma'am, we did, ma'am.
One Kirtana I had not put that. Priyanka. Priyanka B. Sutar. Ritu Alisha. Sada. Tanisha. Tanisha. Tejashri.
Excuse me, ma'am, did you call out my name?
Who? What's your name?
Shada.
Yeah. When were you absent,
Sorry,
dear?
ma'am, I was absent on 13th, 14th, ma'am, and 2, 3 days in August, I guess, ma'am.
You were absent on 13th and 14th, correct. And
Yes. And 2, 3 days in August.
date on
Um,
1 second, I'll tell just on 19th, correct. On
yes, ma'am.
24th, and that's all.
Yes, ma'am.
Mom,
Priyanka Sutar. Huh?
mom, you called my name, Tejashri.
Yeah. When were
Ma'am, I
you
was
absent?
absent on 8th, only on 8th August. Sorry, 8th September.
Where one day you were not there for complete session.
Oh yeah, that was on 8th September.
That was you were not there on the complete session. Full day you were absent.
Oh yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
did you call my name, ma'am? Vanessa.
Nessa done, no?
Okay, ma'am. I heard it wrong, I guess.
No. Tanisha, I said. Tanisha is not there. Four of them. Okay. Next. All did selection pane. You can go further.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
No
ma'am.
doubt. Formulas, whatever we did formulas, same thing are here. I taught you first that because it is easier to type than to search and select. So if you know the formulas, it's easier for you to type. That is the reason I did not show you these options first. Instead showed you the functions, typing functions. Okay, any of them, whichever it is useful, you can just download, drop, use the drop down and use that function. So it comes like this. Under the parenthesis you can type the range, reference, etc. Can anyone explain me about name manager?
Ma'am, name managers, like you can use it to substitute like cell references, ma'am. Like you can select an entire range and give it a particular name using name manager. And then that could be used in various functions instead of referring back to the entire cell area. Like it is also like used for creating and editing, ma'am, like the names. Like you can use it, that reference for everything. Ma'am, did you hear me?
Ma'am, your mic is muted.
Sorry. Yeah, I heard you. Yeah, thank you. So you can just click on define name, give a name whenever you want to use. That is equal to, give everyone name. Every day I'm forgetting. Now only I will send you the notes. Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, trace precedent and trace dependent. Wherever you are, it shows you from where you came, where it came. It shows you what is the dependent. Show formulas shows all the formulas in the sheets. And I'm sending 2 notes, okay? One of you tell me if it is received. 1 notes I've sent. 2 notes also I've sent. Clear?
Yes, ma'am, we received it.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Class again I forget, so it is better I. Okay. Watch window. Anyone who can tell me what is watch window?
Ma'am, we can select the data and we can add it in watch window, and then later whichever sheet we are in, we can just click on watch window and select that particular. It will take us back to that thing. Like it is visible to us whenever we click on that particular data which is added in watch window.
Correct. Like watch window, there is one more option. Anyone who can tell me what is that? Like watch window, there is one more option. No one. Remember custom view we did yesterday? How was custom view? What did you do with custom view? You forgot custom view, class? Try custom view. Okay, class. One second.